Alright, what's up guys? We're back with another Maverick video. So we work with NomNomTech to get the DRL light kits out to everybody. He did on the Lariat. I'll link his video below if you want to see how they're made and stuff like that, how it looks in the Lariat. We have an XL. It's a little bit different. We don't have the running lights and the headlights, but I'll show you what comes in the kit. They're finally available for pre-order. Link below, or refinetruck.com. So first you have the light, right? Then you're going to have 4 of these black channels. Look like this. There's 2 end pieces. Then you're gonna have an inline fuse with a 1 amp fuse inside. You're gonna have your ground wire, and you're gonna have your power wire with the hardware you need, and then 2 crimp connectors. So you can use these. You can use quick solder, or you can just solder it yourselves, whichever way you want to do. But these are installed if it's the easy solution. But you can do however you want. So first step is to throw the black channels on. So what you're going to want to do is get it in the top like these. Flip it over for you. Get in the top, then get it in, and it's good. Alright, so now we're going to take this to the truck, show you what you got to do. So the first thing you need to do on the truck is drill a small hole right here for the wires to feed through. Next to that little Ford logo. And then you're going to want to feed these bad boys through here. Oh brother. Stick through the hole. You got to pull it back out. You get the yanking. You get a knot going. Yeah, make sure you knot it up real good. Get these pulled in. Alright, now we're just going to lay this up here. For right now, try and get this a little tighter, like that. Alright, now we're just going to leave this up here for a second. We'll just lay it over like this. Alright, now we're going to go get the other hardware for the rest of the thing. We didn't want to attach it already because then you'd have to drill a fat ass hole in the grill. So 2 separate parts, but smaller hole in the grill I think is worth it. Alright, yeah, so once you get the wires through, we're ready to attach the other part of the harness. The kit comes with crimp connectors, so I'll show you how to do that way. Alright, so this is good now. This is connected. We'll show you where to put this in a little bit. Is what we're looking like after you connect the inline fuse to your power wire. It's going to tap into the headlight, and then this side needs to tap into the light. Right? Makes some sense. Makes a little bit of sense. So it goes light into the inline fuse into the tap wire that's going to go into the headlight. Alright, so once everything is all crimped up, you got your everything together, all the harnesses are ready to just be plugged in. The ground, I guess I'll show you where the power is. It's on the XL, it's this one right here. This brown and blue looking wire. So we're going to put this connector around that and then plug this into there. And then the ground is going to go on this bolt right here. Right there. You can see that? Yep. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and be back in a second. Alright, so we have the power tapped into the running light, and we have the ground up here. You see it? Mm-hmm. So we're going to tidy this up a little bit. I'm just going to set it here for now. Then we're gonna take off this 3M backing like these, or the first one. Get it as far in the corner as you can. Push, 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 push. Then we're gonna do the next one. Push, push it. Last one should be a little bit tight, so you know your fitment's good. All right. Now I'm gonna shut the hood. Oh, and clean it with alcohol too before you did. We already did that earlier today. Looking all right. There you go.
What light?
Oh man. Let me back it
I
up.
think it's flickering on the vid some. That's because it's
Oh yeah.
I'm sure.
Yeah, it is not flickering in real life. It just looks like that. The pictures do a better justice in the video.
Yeah.
That's weird that one flickers and the other one doesn't. Is it flickering bad?
No. I might have just been tripping.
Alright, well, that's how you install the running light bar or running light strip on the XLs and XLTs. It's real similar to the Lariats. Lariats just had the lights up there. Pretty much the same exact process. I'll link NomNomTech. He showed it on the Lariat too. But if you want the kit, refinedtruck.com, links in the description, everything like that. Thanks for subbing. And we are going to
gotta announce the giveaway.
Announce the giveaway winners. So see you then. I'll try and get some night shots to add. But hope you like the kit, and I'll see you inside. Alright, so there's 80 comments. You can see right here. So we're gonna go hit a random number generator on Google again. You know the drill by now.
Hey, you want my show? Can't have these people thinking it's fake, look. New tab. Man, I can't see. Number. I can't type now. I'm under pressure. 1 through 80. Generate.
Oh, I'll go to the bottom. I'll just count up 8. Number 72. So we're gonna go to the bottom and count up 8, because that makes more sense, right, guys?
Okay, we're at the bottom.
Right at the bottom.
Let's see.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Grumpy woodchucker.
Grumpy woodchucker 2 days ago. Ball mount. Can y'all see that? Grumpy woodchucker. There, y'all can kind of see.
Nope.
All right.
Well, grumpy woodchucker.
Well, email me at 2randomscrubs@gmail.com. And I guess let me know what color you want. You just won yourself a free ball mount. Thanks to everyone for commenting what they want. Thanks to everyone for subscribing.
Yeah. Big ups.
Hope you enjoyed the light kit. Pre-orders are open now. I think it looks sick, so hopefully y'all do too. But we'll see you later on in the week with another vid.